up the step?
No, I can't.
Like this one over here?
No, I can do it off here though.
Well, that's not a good place to dive off of.
It's good.
No, it's not, because you can hit your head. It's not deep enough there. You got to go over where it's deeper if you're going to dive.
Yeah.
There's a step right there.
You know I just farted. Underwater? I'm like just farting. Wait, let me fart again. Oh, actually I heard it underwater. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You got it. Dive. That was deep, Bennett. That was good.